Dreading entering all your personal information again for this year's taxes? There's a much easier way. Today, we're importing your prior year tax return into TurboTax to automatically carry over your data. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. TurboTax can pull information from last year's return, whether you filed with TurboTax or another provider, saving you time and ensuring consistency. If you used TurboTax last year, the easy transfer. When you start a new return in TurboTax, it will often automatically detect your prior year return and ask if you want to transfer your information. Just confirm, and it will pull in your name, address, dependents, and more. If you used another tax software, the import option. Even if you used a different software like H&R Block or TaxAct, you can usually import your return. Look for an option like Import My Return or Transfer Prior Year Info in the Personal Info section. You'll need to upload last year's tax return PDF. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: have last year's PDF return ready. For the smoothest import, locate the PDF of the tax return you actually filed last year. This is more reliable than using a tax transcript. The import feature reads the data directly from this PDF file. So, just like that, you can skip the tedious data entry and jump straight to what's new this year. Importing your prior return goes a long way in making tax preparation faster and more accurate. Now I'm curious, do you consistently use the same tax software each year, or do you switch based on deals? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.